Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Jessie Talley, and we're kicking off our new series with the art of navigating faculty meetings as a new professor, which is our first episode, and the faculty meetings one-on-one strategies for new professors. So, if you're new to the faculty world, you've probably already realized that faculty meeting is a major part of your academic life. But here's the thing, you're the new kid on the block. So navigating these meetings as a new professor can get a little bit tricky. So let's talk about how to find your voice and become an active participant without feeling like you're stepping on anybody's toes. Okay, let's get into it. So today we're going to focus on three different areas: dynamics, preparation, and again, using your voice. So let's start off with the first, which is understanding the dynamics. So, this fall, probably you're going into your first faculty meeting. The first thing you need to know is that every department and meeting has its own culture. Some are a little bit more formal, some are a little bit more casual. Take the time to understand these dynamics. Who's speaking up the most? Who's quiet? What are the unspoken rules? How are the decisions made? It is important to understand the varying personalities within your department in order to know how to navigate the conversation. It helps you to know how to navigate the changes that might arise in the meeting. And so you want to be important to observe this within your first meeting to know how to continue on. So the second thing is to be prepared. You can't contribute if you're not prepared. Read the agenda ahead of time if it's given to you. Note where you might have valuable input. The goal is not only to participate, but to add value to the conversation. So come ready with your insights, questions, or your ideas to the meeting. Third, speak up, but don't overdo it. So as a new professor, it's important to speak up, but don't feel the need to dominate the conversation. Start by contributing in small ways. You can ask questions, you can either make suggestions, or you could clarify something. Once you've done that a couple of times, you'll start to feel a little bit more confident. So, in closing, I'll leave you with this last point, which I think is really big and key. So, the key to mastering that faculty meeting is to balance your listening and contributing in meaningful ways. With time, you'll eventually find your rhythm, but remember, you belong in the room and your perspective matters. So I hope that this gives you a few things to think about as you go into your first faculty meeting. And I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Until then, remember to do your work because your voice matters. And again, to recap, that's remember the dynamics, be prepared, and use your voice. I'll see you on the next episode.